I definitely feel the warming and it turns into a milk texture. Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy. And today I'm going to be doing a first impressions of a $90 face mask. This mask is from youthful and it's called Radiance Transforming Face Mask. And it's supposed to give your face a nice glow, youthful, and is $90. So if you want to see how this mask applies, how does it feel, how my skin looks before and after, and if it's worth the $90, keep on watching. This mask was sent to me by youthful, but this video is not sponsored. All the opinions are my own, and actually this is a first impression video. So you will be seeing step by step with me my thoughts, and you will be able to make your own thoughts about how this mask performs, and you'll be able to see for yourself if this is a good mask for you. This mask has a lot of amazing luxurious ingredients that are good for fine lines, to natural exfoliate your skin. It has lime pearl caviar, hemp seed oil, Bulgarian rose oil, magnesium, zinc, copper. Has a lot of antioxidants, make your skin supple and hydrated and smooth the fine lines and wrinkles and all the good stuff. So I'm pretty excited to try it out. It has two ways of using it. If you use it for 30 minutes, you're supposed to hold skin hydration for 6 hours. And you can also use it as an overnight mask, and that makes your skin hold moisture for 72 hours. So let's put it to the test. It comes with a little spatula. I came in a little closer so we can apply the mask, and you can take a look at my skin as well before. It smells a little bit like roses, and it has a balmy texture. Now let's apply to the skin. And the instructions say to apply and avoid the eye area and massage it, and you're supposed to have like a warming sensation. So let's see, because you guys know I have very sensitive skin, so hopefully it won't make me red. I definitely feel the warming. Whenever I massage it, I feel warm. It feels soothing. I think I apply actually too much. I don't think you need to apply that much. You can just get it, as you guys can see, a little bit does go a long way. Applying, it feels really soft and almost oily and balmy, but it doesn't hurt. It feels a little tiny warm sensation, but nothing crazy. And so far, I love what it does to my hands. My hands feel super soft, so I'm excited to see how it's going to remove my face. I'm going to leave for 30 minutes, and I'm going to come back to show you the results. Now that I'm going to be waiting about 30 minutes with this mask on, I want to do a little chit chat with you guys and, update about what's going on in my life. But if you don't want to hear about it, just jump to this time code here on the screen and you can just see the results of the mask. I just want to give you guys some updates because so much has been going on. And as you guys know, I'm pregnant. I'm 7 months pregnant now. And I feel like my life is changing so much. And I'm really enjoying this pregnancy. Besides the tiredness and besides all the symptoms, I'm really enjoying, and I can't wait to meet my baby. And I also enjoy my new beauty routine during this pregnancy. I'm trying to make it like my routine shorter as possible. So on a side note, make sure to check out my pregnancy beauty tips even if you're not pregnant, because I'm really enjoying this routine and I think it's something I can keep up after the pregnancy. I love trying new products, and by the way, this product is pregnancy safe, doesn't have any ingredients that are harmful for pregnancy. Lately on my channel, a lot of things I'm trying are pregnancy safe or natural, because that's what I'm going for, but that's just a side note. I haven't been posting as much because I'm so busy getting everything ready for the baby. I'm really excited. We just started getting the baby room ready. But if you guys want, I can show you, I do a little baby room tour if you guys want later. If you do, make sure to put a comment below and I'll make sure to do the video for you guys. But I feel like my life is changing so much with this pregnancy because I'm so focused. I'm taking baby classes. So it's been so like, it's been fun. I'm actually quite enjoying being pregnant. But it does have your down times, like I'm tired all the time, and even shooting videos sometimes I'm just not up for it because I'm just really tired. I'm also 41, so being an older mom, I feel like there's a lot more things that are different than when my mom had kids. By the time my mom was 30, she had 3 kids. So I feel like it's different. If you guys also want me to make a video about getting pregnant after 40, also let me know, because I've been thinking about doing more videos about my experience being pregnant, but I'm not sure if you guys are into it. I do have my pregnancy beauty tips, but I've been doing that as a bonus video. But let me know if you guys are interested more about, things I'm buying for my baby, the baby room, the symptoms and stuff I've been doing, because I would love to do more about that, because basically my life is becoming all around my pregnancy. But this is just a side note. I wanted to do a little checking with you guys and give you a little update what's going on in my life, and also to see what else you guys want to see this year from me, because I try so many products and I really love the videos I do for you guys, but I'm always open for suggestions. So make sure to comment below any future videos you want to see from me. If you want anything more about pregnancy, more anything, please make sure to comment below. I love, love, love reading your comments. So now let's wait a little longer and I'll be right back. So it's been 30 minutes and this is what a mask looks like. It feels already a little milky. I think just the heat of my skin probably makes it, but I don't feel red. I don't feel any irritation, so that is really good news. So let me remove it in front of you guys so you guys can see. I have a little water bucket here and it's supposed to like turn milky when you... It removes really easy and it turns into a milk texture. I also have a washcloth. It's probably easier because I'm in front of the camera, but I wanted you guys to see. So it's really easy to remove. And even though it's balmy, it doesn't feel oily whatsoever. Let me dry it out. I feel really good. I feel really fresh and plumped. I feel my skin really clean. I feel like it's deep clean, my skin, and it feels soft and it doesn't feel oily whatsoever. I confess I was a little worried because the texture of the mask is so balmy that I really thought that after I wash it off, it would be like oily. But it's not oily at all. I feel like actually matted my skin a little bit and I can see a natural glow. So hey, I really, really like this mask. It's a very luxurious mask, so it has a very steep price tag, but a lot of amazing ingredients. So if you have the budget, I feel like it's totally a worth face mask. But if you don't have the budget, check out my channel. I have a lot of natural skincare that you can make at home that also gives amazing results. But I would definitely continue using. I'm very impressed with the results. I feel my skin feels super soft. And as the time passes, as I'm doing my outro, I feel even more soft and even brighter. I definitely like it and I will definitely continue using for sure, and I'll update you guys if any of my opinion changes. But so far, so good, and I love that all the ingredients are pregnancy safe, so it's something I continue using with my pregnancy, so definitely check it out if you have a chance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week and I'll see you next time. Bye!